Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through my self-care routine that will help you glow up overnight. So if you're looking to glow up this new year, keep watching and let's get into this video. In this video, I'm gonna be using a bunch of different products that I've never used before. The first thing we're gonna get started off is my eyebrows. I got my eyebrows threaded earlier today and it looks so good. I'm so happy. I love to get my eyebrows threaded. I feel like it's another version of when you get your hair done, but I've been seeing a lot of people dye their eyebrows, so I decided to give it a try. I got this black dye from Amazon and it's from the brand Reflecto Seal and it comes with this as well. I'm not sure how to use this honestly, but that's what this video is for. Let me look at the rules and regulations. So instructions say put Vaseline under your eyebrows. Unfortunately, I don't have Vaseline, but I do have Vaseline oil, so hopefully that works. I'm only doing the end of my eyebrows anyway. I don't shave the front part of my eyebrows when I typically do my eyebrows, so the end it is. Poke this in. I'm gonna use this cap that I have, don't judge me. I'm a bit lazy to find anything else. I'm excited to see how this looks. I've never done this by myself, or ever. Here's it in. I'm just gonna mix it in. I'm so excited. I'm going on a trip, a little solo trip to, where am I going? I forgot the name of the country. I'm going to Split. I typically take a solo trip in the beginning of the year, and it's the beginning of the year, but I always go to London. I never go to a different country other than London. So I was like, come on girl. If you want to consider yourself a traveler, you have to go to a foreign speaking country. Although I've been to like foreign speaking countries, I haven't been by myself. So this will be so fun. Eyebrows are filled in. I'm gonna let it sit. I set a 10-minute timer. So I'll see you at 6:46 p.m. It is officially 10 minutes. Now it's time to wipe this off. I'm so scared. I hope I didn't mess up the slay of my eyebrows. Let's see, reveal time. Oh, okay. Did it work? I can't tell if it did anything. Wait, I think, Okay, these are the brows. Can you guys tell a difference? I don't know if I can really tell a difference. Okay, I can kind of see a difference now. I can see a difference. Yes, yes. Now that eyebrows is done, we're gonna move on to the longest part of the video, which is skin care. When I say we're going in, we're jumping in. Buckle up, prepare, and let's get to skincare. Before we jump into skincare, you're probably thinking, where's the body routine, sis? I already took my shower. If you wanna see my in-depth shower routine, click this. But for now, we're gonna do skincare and everything else. So for my updated 2025 skincare routine, I still use my Aveeno face wash. I also use this clearance exfoliator. It's really good. It's a one-step gentle exfoliator. Then I use this turmeric face soap. It just honestly evens out my skin and helps with dark spots. So I use all three of these together in that particular order. Sometimes at night, I'll just use these two. Now that I'm all through washing and exfoliating my face, I'm gonna go in with this Vanity Planet steamer. I love this a lot. It helps open up your pores to do a deep cleanse. So I use this before I use any single mask. I'm gonna be honest, I do it around 1 to 2 times a week. I don't know the limits on this, so I'm gonna steam my face until it runs out. You fill it at a certain point. Let me show you. So there's a max and there's a minimum to this. I filled it to the minimum just because I was like, let's speed up the process, okay? Let me put my hair back. This is how you know we're getting serious right now. All right. It honestly feels so good. I wish I had a chair in my bathroom. That would be nice. I mean, I could use the toilet seat, but that's not really aesthetic, is it? Sometimes when I feel like it doesn't hit all my face, I just do this all around. Now that I'm all done steaming my face, I'm gonna extract my face. I extract my face almost every single week, especially when I get a new pimple on my forehead. What I extract mainly is right here, right here, right here. As you can see, all those bumps. It helps clear out my pores, but also get out all the gunk that's in my skin. You'll see that my skin is just like snatched. Everything that I'm using will also be linked down below. I bought this off of Amazon as well. Now that extraction is out the way, we're gonna go with this high frequency tool that I just bought from Amazon. I saw that it had really good reviews and my esthetician uses this. And I think this is why my skin was so good when I was going to her. So I was like, you know what? Let me get this. My skin has been acting up ever since this item has been gone out of my life. So had to bring it back. It was $99, but I got it on sale for $69. And it comes with multiple different tops. You can detach this and attach a different one. You can also use it for your hair. For this video, I'm using this one and I'm gonna use it for my face. I don't know what level to do. 2? I'll do 1 for now. Moving on, I'm gonna do this Cryo Flash Cream Mask by Clarins. I don't have the spoonies to scoop it. My hands are clean though, so I will be using my hands. I always say when I put this mask on that it feels like you're putting ice on your face because it just has this cooling effect. After you take it off, it leaves a nice glow. What do they say? Girl la la. I feel so girl la la. I am now back. This is how my skin is looking. I haven't taken it off yet. I had a little cookie break though. It was really, really good. Guys, I'm like thinking, should I do my eyebrows again? I feel like it didn't really do anything. Now I'm contemplating on re-dyeing it. Now that we're done wiping the mask off, we're gonna go with my toner from Clarins. It's a hydrating toner. I've been using it for about a month and a half now, and I love it. Moving on, I use this Ultra Pure Hyaluronic Acid from Kiehl's. I've been using this for a week now, and it has helped my skin so much. I just apply 2 to 3 drops and mix it in. Next thing I'm gonna go in with is this Soothing Barrier Serum from The Ordinary. I bought the Kiehl's and this at the same time because I was like, my skincare is kind of boring. Like, it's not really boring, but it was kind of boring. Then for retinol, because it is nighttime, I'm gonna go in with this Retinol Youth Serum from Myriad. It's really good. I've been using this since high school. And now that we've extracted and exfoliated our face, it's gonna sit in. Then for moisturizer, we're gonna go in with this Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I wanna try a different moisturizer. I've been looking into the Kiehl's moisturizer, but I haven't got like a trial size yet. I think I'm gonna get that before my trip, just to see if it works. Okay, now we're gonna grab the gua sha, go up, and just shimmy. Now I'm not a gua sha pro, but if you want directions, just Google it. I'm so ready for this trip to Croatia. The hotel that I'm staying at has this really nice pool, but I don't have a swimsuit, which is very surprising. Like, I have a swimsuit, but I don't really like the swimsuit. They have a hot tub. I'm getting in a hot tub. I also got a massage today. It was so good. I paid $35. I only did 30 minutes just because I was like, my back is aching me. Please tackle my back. And tackle my back only. I'll do the other another day. I think I'm gonna do a massage in Croatia too. But it was very much needed. She was like kneading my back and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. It felt longer than 30 minutes. I had to tip her real good. Did she go 45 minutes? Did she go 45 minutes for me? Just for me? Maybe she did. Okay, now that we're all done with my face and skincare, we're gonna move on to nails. So let's head to my living area. Welcome to my nail salon. This is actually my piano that I set right here. Don't judge me. I live in New York. I don't have a couch and I don't have a table. This is only around 400 something square feet. We're gonna stick to what we have. So yes, we're using my piano and a blanket that I don't use at all to cosplay as a nail salon. To start out, I'm gonna go in with this tool to clean my nails because my nails are atrocious right now. Now that that's out the way, we're gonna go in with this tool. It's kind of bigger. Kind of dig in my nail bed, push it back and scrape it off. God, please. I hope that I'm doing this right. This isn't good. Now I'm gonna go in with this tool, clip my nail bed. I'm only on one nail, by the way, so no biggie. It's been 20 minutes. Just bleeding casually. You know, if you have the opportunity to go do your nails, you should definitely go do them. Now that we're done cutting my nail beds and doing all the necessary steps, we're gonna go in with the nail drill. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. Okay, we're making progress. Ouch. I didn't do that bad of a job. I am bleeding though on my thumb. Before I do nail polish, I need to trim my nails. I am officially done with my nails. Now I'm gonna go in with an oil, just because I always see them use oil on my nails whenever I get my nails done. Rub that in. Lastly, I'm gonna go with my 1000 Wishes Bath & Body Works lotion. Moisturize these hands. I am officially done with my nails. Here it is. Final product. Final product. I couldn't get all the makeup out, but this is where we're at. It's looking very good. I'm so happy. Oh, okay. I'm gonna clear this section, wrap up, and go to bed. So I will see you tomorrow morning when I'm getting ready for church. Hello, you guys. It is now the next morning. I just woke up, so my face is super puffy, but we're gonna fix that. First thing, before I take my shower and do my makeup and everything, I'm gonna brush my teeth. And today I'll be doing whitening strips for the first time. I've never done whitening strips. So in order to glow up, you have to whiten your teeth, of course. I got this from Amazon. It was $32. To brush my teeth, I use this Oral-B toothbrush. It is IO. It's really good. And then I use this water flosser. And then my tongue scraper. Time to whiten our teeth. I don't know how to use this. Okay, peel white strips from back lining liner. Let me get it out first. Oh wow, there's a bunch in here. Wow. Using a mirror, apply gel side of strip to front teeth. Align straight edge of strip with gum line. Fold over teeth and press to secure. Okay. This comes with two, actually. Edge. Timer's on. In the meantime, I'm going to take my shower. It has been an hour now that I have these in my teeth. I'm going to take them out. This is what it looks like. I'm going to brush my teeth and get all the extra stuff off. We are done with oral health and whitening our teeth. I think that's something that you have to be really consistent with. I'm not going to be delusional to say I can see a difference, but I can see a difference. I'm going to dye my eyebrows again, because I feel like it wasn't, like, it got in there, but it's not enough. So we're gonna do a little eyebrow dye, just really quick. Here. Let's mix this in. I cleaned the brows up. We're gonna wait 10 minutes for this. Please, Lord, let this be good, let this be good, let this be good. I'm gonna truth. It looks so much better and so much filled in now. I'm so happy. Now that we're all done with that, I'm gonna hop in the shower, get ready, and see you guys when I'm doing my skincare, my makeups. I'm all finished with my shower and skincare. I'm gonna show you one thing though that I use in the morning. It is this Clarins eye cream. It's helped with my eye puffiness. So I use that, and I don't use retinol during the day. For my makeup base, I use the Charlotte Tilbury serum. I also use this NARS matte primer. I'm gonna go with my concealer from Giorgio Armani. I love this concealer so much. And when I conceal, I just do my under eyes, like right here, and then on top. This type of brush. And just smooth it out until like the side of my nose. Do you see how blended in that is to my skin tone? Incredible. I use this Mirror blush in the shade Persimmon. It is winter, so I like to do a more calm color, but in the summer I'll do a red. I still need to shop for my trip to Croatia. I barely have any outfits. I want to pack light. I want to be a light packer. Moving on to contour, I use this Side Beauty contour. I contour my nose like this. Get all up in there. So to bake, I use this Huda Beauty powder in Canufa. And I go right here. And I just dab it. I'm gonna move on to highlighter, and I'm gonna highlight with this MAC highlighter. I don't know what the shade is. I've had this for a while, honestly. And for brows, I'm gonna go in with this Ilia eyebrow pencil in the shade Soft Black. And I also have my Refi eyebrow gel to slick my eyebrows out. I'm just gonna fill in the ends of my eyebrows. Even though it honestly doesn't need to be filled. Look at my brows. They look so good. I'm gonna go back in with blush. I'm gonna use the Dior blush. It's a pink blush. I like how this mattifies my face. For lips, I'm gonna use this chestnut lip liner and this lip liner called Roof For Me that MAC just dropped. And then I'm gonna use this MAC lipstick in the shade Mirror. For my eyes, I'm gonna line my waterline with this Kat Von D pencil liner. I lined underneath and then I went upward just to kind of give it that smooth cat eye look. To curl my eyes, I use this Shiseido eye curler and I hold it for about until I feel it's right. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of curled. For my mascara, I use this Telescopic Lift by L'Oreal. Get this from CVS. And I don't do the whole thing like right here. I only do the middle to the end. Just add a little mascara. I'm gonna spray my face with this Charlotte Tilbury spray. And this is the only setting spray that I use, so we're gonna let this sit in the meantime, I'm gonna plug in my flat iron and we're gonna get to do my hair. Okay, now that we're moving to hair, I'm gonna use the Silk Infusion by Shy. Just go through. I'm gonna do curls. I'm going up and down. I'm gonna take the Shy Heat Protectant and the cap is broken, so I'm gonna put a little on my hand. This is just to help with flat waist. For lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with the Summer Fridays lip gloss and it is in the shade Cherry. We are officially done with everything. Nails are done. Look how good these look. Teeth whitened. Makeup done, hair done, eyebrows done. Everything check. Skincare, I mean, I look good. This is the end of the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you're using this video, what you're glowing up for. Is it for the new year? Is it for a trip, vacation, boyfriend, whatever it is, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. What did I say? Girl la la. I feel so girl la la. Because you cannot finish brushing your teeth without using a tongue degree. I'm still tired. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel.